Okay, welcome to Position Partners Pocket Session number 104. Today we're going to have a look at visualization of a road design in CivilCAD version 7. What you can see on screen is a completed road design. Up on the top left screen you've got the alignment view, which is basically an overlay of our road strings over the top of our survey data. In the top right we've got our cross-section view. In red is our finished design surface, blue is our boxing and our subgrade surface, and green is our natural surface. Down the bottom, obviously our long section view with vertical IPs and vertical curves. In our survey view, so down the bottom left here, if we click on the survey view, you can see that there are no road strings in the survey module at the moment. Okay, to set ourselves up to transfer this data back to the survey module, we need to activate the alignment menu by clicking once in the alignment view here. Then we can go Alignment, Data Transfer Table. In the Data Transfer Table, this is basically a translation of our road strings to a particular survey string name. So these are strings in the survey module, and a particular layer name. Okay, we can prefix the road number. You notice our road number is 01. It's the first road we've created in this job. Okay, we can prefix or suffix the survey string or layer name with our road number. Okay, create a DTM. Yes, we do want to create a DTM, and we'll call it design. That's the default name. And we're going to bring our design surface back, not boxing or natural surface. We want our design surface. Okay there. Now we go Alignment, Update Survey. In our alignment view from within the roads module, we can already see that our DTM has been created. Okay, so then if we actually go back to the survey module, there's our DTM already been created. To access our DTM, we can go into the DTM settings button down the bottom of the screen, and you can see we can turn mesh on and off. What we're going to do is just turn that all off, and now if we wanted to create a final design which will include our existing natural surface as well as our design surface, we can go to Surface, Merge DTM. We'll merge our design surface with our existing surface, called existing, and we'll call that Final Design. Okay. Alright, now we see a mesh here. We might want to have a closer look at contours, just so we can analyze the model, make sure there's no errors around the edges, etc. So if we go back into our DTM settings, we'll turn on our contours and turn our mesh off, and then also we'll have a look at our contour interval just by hitting Edit, Contour, and I think we probably want to make that a bit tighter, so we'll go major of 1, minor of 0.2. OK and OK. Now we can pan around, have a look at our contours, and have a look for any obvious problems with our contours. Okay, so that looks okay. If we want to visualize this in a perspective view, so we can see at a glance whether there's any holes in our mesh or whether any points with elevation of 0 have been included in our DTM, anything like that, we can, I'll just view the full screen. We can then go to View, 3D View, select data from active layers, not necessarily all data. I want to bring in my final design DTM and I want to transfer line work. Don't necessarily want to drape our lines. So we say OK there. Now just using my mouse wheel, I can zoom, and my left click button, I can zoom and orbit around our design, and I can see that that looks reasonable. And now if I want to finally drive the design, I can go into View Alignments, pick Alignment 1, which is our design centerline, go to OK, and now we're driving along our alignment.